We are currently going to Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. Hoping to have a good weekend. Overall, have a good time. Love to see the sketchy ass back alleys whenever we have to find something good.
Searching for something that looking back when we were younger, heartbeats are rushing but always pumping. I drive away, leave behind without a trace for the day.
So we're at Oktoberfest now. We just got to our camping spot. We can get all 8 in the big tent. We have outlets, and we also have a space heater.
Baby, I forgot to breathe. This town's got a hold on me. My mind is a casualty. Find me open spaces. Static in my blood. Can you feel the flood? Yeah, I've seen enough. Find me open spaces.
Oktoberfest 2019.
We got back from Oktoberfest about a week ago, so now I'm combining it with this weekend where we're going to Simeone. We got a lot of plans for that. Alright, so that was the Oktoberfest and Simeone Lake Garda trip. They were both a blast. Oktoberfest was a ton of fun. Like I said, we were actually camping. Campground was basically a party campground. A lot of memories were made from that. And then we went to Lake Garda, where you don't need a license to rent a boat. So they just gave it to a bunch of college kids, which is funny enough. 2 weekends were a blast. And the next trip that I'm gonna put up is probably gonna be my Northern Lights trip. So hopefully I'll get to see the Northern Lights.